Hello, it's time for another QromaScan update, and I wanted to show you what's new in this quick video. For this release, we focused on increasing image quality and making some of QromaScan's features easier to learn. Let me walk you through what we've done. First, we've added a new post-processing filter that will automatically sharpen your images as you scan them. This is something that the built-in camera app does automatically, and we decided to do it ourselves, and the results are pretty dramatic. Here's a before and after. You can see that the whole image appears to be more vivid and pops out more. Starting with this release, we'll apply this filter automatically after every image we scan. Now, if you've already scanned a bunch of images, you can achieve these same results by running your photos through the unsharp mask filter in Photoshop. The next feature is a revamp of our metadata editor. If you tap on any image and then click on this little tag icon, you can see that we've reordered this window so that we can support the location tag that we introduced in our last release. You can edit any metadata field by typing in here, and we have a new addition. If you tap on this little map icon down here, it will open up a map where you can specify the place where the photo was taken. It's just like the location editor, where you can either type in an address or pinch and zoom your way over and then drop a pin. In either case, if you tap on the select button, we will geotag your photo to that spot and then type in the location, city, state, and country fields for you. That could be a real time saver. Next, we've made two important changes to help you get the most out of QromaScan. This is our 9th release since we've launched at the end of last year, and we've added new features with every update. For this release, we've integrated documentation right into the app. Let me show you how this works. Just pop over to the settings panel and you'll see this new documentation option. And if you tap on it, you'll see a list of user guides and other references. If you tap on one, it will download it straight from our site and open it right inside QromaScan. Let's take a look. The first time you tap on this, it might take up to 10 seconds to download it from the internet, but then afterwards it should open right away. From here, I can slide left or right to view the user guide. From the contents page, I can tap right onto the topic I want to learn and jump right to it. Generally, every feature is described in one page, and many of them have this little blue play icon on it. If you tap on that, it should take you to a short YouTube video covering this topic. When you're done, you can tap on the QromaScan logo and go back to the contents. Now, if you have iCloud turned on, you can see these PDF documents in your QromaScan iCloud Drive folder, and you can open them on your Mac or Windows PC. The second thing we did is we built a little YouTube player right into QromaScan, and we've developed a series of quick video tutorials that are designed to teach you each new feature quickly. This is what we call the QromaScan Minute series, and we've taken all those features that we've introduced over the past few months and boiled them down to 1 or 2 minutes each. If you're using QromaScan Import, we have a couple of neat improvements I'd like to run down for you. First, we now have something called reverse geocoding, and it's really cool. If you take a photo with your iPhone or some other device that's location aware, your images will automatically be tagged with the date and the GPS coordinates. Now, these coordinates are useful, but they're a bit incomplete. Let me show you with this table. So here's the information that the iPhone embeds into the image it takes. It's the date and GPS coordinates. However, with these, I can't search across all of my photos based on address or city or state or even country name. QromaScan, however, supports all of these fields when we tag an image. So starting with version 1.8, we can read the GPS coordinates from your images and automatically generate these tags for you. Let me show you an example. Here's an image I took with my iPhone, and here is the metadata that's embedded into it. Now, if I drop this into my imports folder, I can see it in my QromaScan import screen. Let's take a look at it. Notice how it generated the date and place information for me. Now, if this information isn't correct, you can always use QromaScan's voice recognition engine to override it, but this one looks spot on. Now I'm just going to tag the person in the photo and then tap on the green chevron to tag this image. That's it. Now let's look at it again. Here's the location tags that were generated by QromaScan as well as the keyword for the person. Now, if I ever need to find this image, I can search for it by the city name or the address or the person's name. And I think that's going to be a great time saver if you do this kind of tagging. Finally, if you've ever scanned an image in QromaScan and you didn't add the metadata tags, we now have this button right inside the gallery that will send it over to the import screen so you can tag it later with our voice recognition engine. You can pass multiple images over and then use the batch tagging feature inside of QromaScan Import to tag these images. Okay, that's a quick rundown on what's new, and I hope you enjoy it.